Hello friends, today's activity is needlework and we are going to learn how to do running stitch. On the tinted paper, we are going to draw a straight line with the help of a scale and pencil. Now on one side of the scale you will see that there are numbers. We are going to keep this side on the line and put a dot on each number. These are 1 centimeter markings. So put a dot at 1 centimeter. Name each dot alphabetically. So the first dot will be A, second B, third C, we have named each dot alphabetically. Now in the initial pages we have learned how to string a thread in the needle. We have inserted a thread in the needle and we have put a knot on its other end. So let's begin how to do running stitch. From point A, on the reverse side or from the back side of the paper, we are going to insert the needle very carefully on the first dot. Then this is the point B. You're going to insert your needle from the front side of the paper. Then when your thread is behind, the next turn will be from behind the paper, from the reverse side of the paper at point C. So once you will put the needle from the front side and then once you will put it from the back side or from the reverse side of the paper. Continue this running stitch till you finish. So you finish this running stitch till the end of the marking. Our thread is on the reverse side of the paper. Now we'll learn how to make a knot at the end of the stitch. Can you see this first stitch? We'll insert the needle and we'll pass this needle through the thread and very gently we'll put a knot. So we've put this knot and we've closed our thread. Now you can cut the thread. So this is our running stitch. There is place at the bottom of the page. You can draw more lines and practice running stitch.